This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: GitHub signed in and Copilot activated. Open the GitHub mobile app or compatible editor now. Grant permissions so suggestions can appear. Once done, choose the repo and file you want to edit, then place the cursor where you need help. Make sure your subscription shows active. Copilot won't suggest if it's expired. This first move gets the environment ready, so the assistant can generate context-aware code immediately and save you repetitive typing. You'll now interact with Copilot inside your mobile editor. Type a clear prompt or start the function signature and wait. Suggestions appear inline or in a suggestion pane. If the first result isn't right, cycle alternatives or edit the suggestion before accepting to keep intent accurate. Use comment-style prompts to guide tone and complexity. Also, adjust settings for frequency and languages so Copilot matches your workflow. Doing this gives you precise control and reduces back. You complete the session by validating and saving your work. Run a quick test or linter, commit with a clear message, and push to remote. Once done, review generated code for style, edge cases, and security. Copilot helps, but you review. If Copilot stops responding, first check your network and subscription, then re-authenticate or toggle the feature off and back on. As a final tip, clear cache or reinstall the app if issues persist. That usually resolves stale state or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.